So hi, good afternoon. This song is dedicated to one of my one of my subscriber here sa YouTube channel nako. Miss Jessica Timbal. Shout out sa imo, Miss Jessica Timbal. Thank you so much. Ora correct. Sure nagikani. Sure gika request kaning kanta ha. Kaysa tinuod lang, hilig magkanta pero atong mga tingog diya nga alanganin kayo ba pero saon ta man lingaw-lingaw ra man ning atua. Actually lingaw-lingaw ra ni kanang di lang ta maninuod sa tong tingog kay wala man siguro contest dere no. Dili man siguro ni contest akong giapilan. Basta kay mukanta lang ko kay nawa koy microphone lisod pod no. So at least bisag tog ina nila akong tingog, nay nag-request biya pod in town kaloy sa Ginoo. Sure na gid mo nga mag-request mo. But anyway, thank you Miss Jessica Timbal. So this song is dedicated sa imuha nga mahinaot ko nga ganahan ka. Basta kay wa ta kagipilit ha. Basta kay ganahan lang jud ka. So mo na to siya. I hope you like it. Char lang. The Carpenters. Ginoo ko Lord, I hope makaya na ko ni Lord. Actually, kaya lagi. So music maestro bayot. Miss Jessica Timbal, this song is for you, Charla. Pamidli-midli pa, correct. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Sure good. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sit quietly listening to me and all the messes that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering, and since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Sure na yun ni. Sure na giniya, Miss Jessica Timbal. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you'll always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow, when the smallest of dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me when I end up singing. Trouble seems to up and disappear. You touch me when your love you're bringing. I can't really lose when you're near. If all my friends have forgotten how their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you, I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the rest when there's no getting over that rainbow, when the smallest of dreams won't come true. much to give, but I want us to take without you. Sure na gini Jessica Timbal. Miss Jessica. To the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played a sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wonder were they gone? But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the song I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every wow-wow, still fine. Sayo. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, that is to sing so fine. When they get to the part when he's breaking her heart, you can really make me right, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Ingon lagi ko nga, di lagi na ko kaya. But requested man ni siya ni Miss Jessica Timbal. Hope you like it. Muna akong pinaka-paborito. Something in the wind is learn my name, and it's telling me the things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is true, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you aren't here. I'm on the top of the world while looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I find ever since you've been around. Your love put me on the top of the world. Top of the world while looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me on the top of the world. Miss Jessica Timbal, this song is for you. Hope you like it. Char lang. Success. Balag nagkasayop-sayop.